How to use ChatGPT for business growth. Technological innovations are constantly changing the way we work. One of the newest innovations that has impacted the business world is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model designed to help businesses unlock a world of possibilities. Let us explore some of the ways in which ChatGPT can help your business grow. Content creation and curation. Whether you need to write a blog or a social media post, ChatGPT can be your ultimate content creation companion. Firstly, ChatGPT can help you find inspiration by adding the topic or keywords and generating a list of creative ideas to kickstart your content creation process. Secondly, ChatGPT can help you craft compelling content by acting as a writing assistant and suggesting improvements to enhance your written material. Lastly, ChatGPT is a great ally when conducting research. It can assist in finding relevant information, statistics, or reliable sources, saving you valuable time and effort in the research process. Marketing and advertising. When it comes to marketing or advertising, ChatGPT can play a major role in supporting your marketing strategies. Firstly, ChatGPT can provide valuable audience insights. You can tailor your marketing campaigns by understanding your target audience, including their preferences, behaviors, and needs. Secondly, ChatGPT can assist in generating compelling ad copy. Leveraging its language generation capabilities, it can craft engaging and persuasive messages that capture the attention of your audience. Lastly, ChatGPT can help optimize your ad campaigns by analyzing data and performance metrics and providing recommendations on targeting, bidding strategies. Recruitment and hiring. In today's competitive job market, finding the right talent can be a daunting task. ChatGPT can streamline your hiring and recruitment efforts. Firstly, ChatGPT can help in resume screening. It can analyze resumes, identify key qualifications and skills, and filter out the most promising candidates. Secondly, ChatGPT can provide candidate recommendations. It analyzes job descriptions and candidate profiles and assists you in making informed decisions and shortlisting candidates with precision. Lastly, ChatGPT can facilitate the onboarding process. It can help guide the new hires through the initial stages of their employment by providing essential information and answering their questions. Education and training. ChatGPT can transform the way businesses approach education and training. Firstly, ChatGPT can deliver personalized learning content. By analyzing individual learning styles, preferences, and skill gaps, it provides tailored lessons and exercises to each employee. Secondly, ChatGPT can facilitate interactive learning experiences. It engages in natural, human-like conversations, allowing employees to ask questions, seek clarification, and engage in meaningful dialogue. Lastly, ChatGPT provides real-time feedback by analyzing employee performance and providing constructive feedback. This helps employees gauge their progress and make adjustments. As you can see, ChatGPT's capabilities are quite versatile, which can help your business reach new heights. The best way to do that is to support your team with the tools for its integration and encourage them to learn the various ways it can be useful. The current version of ChatGPT is just a small window into what this technology can do in the future.